Hello everyone, my name is Nathalia and this is Hangame. It's my final project from CS50 Introduction to Programming with Python from Harvard. This game is based on Hangame game, so the objective of this game is to guess the magic word. So, to play this game, the player must choose a category: fruits, colors, animals, countries, and professions, and play. So about me, my name is Nathalia Rodrigues Molina Parra. I'm from Curitiba, Paraná, Brazil. This is my GitHub and edX. And today is Saturday, February 10 of 2024. Now let's play the game. So this is Hangame. First of all, I have to write my name. Now I have to choose one category. I will choose fruits, number 1. And my magic word have 5 letters, and I have to try one letter at a time or a word with 5 letters. If I try a different amount of letters, I get an error like that. And the program tells me that I have to try one letter or 5 letters to guess the word. So I'll try an A. And now I will try an E. Okay, now I'll try an L. It's a wrong letter and I have 7 lives left. So now I will try an G. And now maybe I know the word. I will try grape. And I won the game. The magic word was grape and my score is 175 points. If I run out of lives, the game would over and I would lose it. So, this is Hangame. I hope you enjoy it and thanks for watching.